Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of recreating this logo from a trace. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you'll get an idea from this. When I first made the red ones, and now I've made the black ones, if you will go to Ungroup, and then take your shape tool, and just kind of zoom in. This is an easy one because they're basically all straight lines. So just take your shape tool, whoop, don't do that, and get rid of these nodes. And then select that one and hold down your shift key and select that one, right click and turn it into a line. Do the same thing on the 3 sides. That they don't really need to be, but you can grab these 2, right click, turn them into a line. Select both those, right click, turn them into a line. This one, same thing. Just get rid of the outer nodes, the extra nodes basically. Let's see if we can't grab them all at one time and right click and turn them into a line. You basically have to get rid of the inner nodes first before this will work. Right click, turn them into a line. Now group this back together, Control G, and put the rotation in the center of the page. And we're going to use the transformation docker, so we do not have to do anything, make a duplicate or anything. Go to Windows, Dockers, Transform, and it's going to be the same. I evidently didn't get the whole thing as a group. Nope. Control G. Move the rotation in the center. A lot of times it doesn't look like it is, but let's look at the difference in the sharpness between these lines and this one, and it didn't take any time. It's a lot crisper. And you could do the exact same thing. There are no curved lines in this. So you've got only straight lines, and real quickly we could do that star. Let's just nudge it up out of the way. Basically, oh, that's a smart fill. We haven't heard anything. I must have hit it twice. We don't have to break it apart because it's not together and just. Now this is a little bit different because there are no, it's kind of a curved, but really they need to be sharp. I'm almost glad I did this one. Let's back up here. And let's grab it with the shape tool. And I really prefer doing this in hairline, but for the video, I'm going to leave it on this. So just kind of bring a node, and if there's not a node close, just double click on a node. So all the rest of the nodes are closed. So then just delete all this, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. There's a lot of nodes down there. And see, that looks really bad. And then just grab the whole thing, right click, turn it into a line. Now you have a crisp, sharp star. And not very long, because you just have to do that before you duplicate it, and you're done. Anyway. So if you don't understand what we're talking about, you need to watch part 1. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.